Yeah, depending if you love the outdoors and love the rain. Like I remember as a kid here, Adam, playing soccer and football. It's fantastic. As a parent, you can drive around in it. Not so much fun.
No, not at all. I mean, it's great for the first day or two, right?
Yes.
I mean, that's usually when it melts for us.
Right.
But we kept it around throughout the entire weekend. Well, there's still some around, even as we head into today in some areas. Right now, looking at our Granite Falls High School SCHOOLNET side, you can see maybe a few patches of snow here or there, but for the most part, it's gone. We might put down a little more as we go on into the evening, but throughout the night, rain is going to wash that away and will melt a lot of that away, especially across the lowlands. Now, up into the mountains, we're going to keep it around for quite some time. This is Snoqualmie Pass. You can see trucks and cars and vehicles taking their sweet time getting across the state because we still got a lot of snow and ice covering the highway there. Advisories, we got a few of them. Winter weather advisory starting up at 4 p.m. here today. That will last until 2 a.m. tonight. You can see the coast of the Olympic Peninsula, Hood Canal, Kitsap Peninsula, foothills of the Cascades, and all the way up to Skagit County and the San Juan Islands. Could see up to 3 inches initially once that moisture does arrive here into the evening and into the first part of tonight. Now we're going to keep colder air in place just a bit longer for Whatcom County. This is where we could see 2 to 6 inches of snow as that colder air does help to support more of that wintry precipitation. And then, yeah, across the mountains, the Cascades, 1,500 feet for those snow levels. Amounts of snow, 1 to 2 feet possible, getting up closer to 28 inches maybe in some areas as this pushes on through all the way into the afternoon hours of tomorrow. And then again, yes, we do have the warmer air that's going to start to take over, switch some of this snow back over to rain, and some heavy rain at that. So that's why we have flooding concerns up and down Puget Sound and across the southwestern part of the state. Well, right now it's quiet, 37 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and east wind coming in at 7 miles per hour. Check out temperatures above freezing in Everett. Right now in Renton, Bremerton, we're at 35. Colder spots farther to the north there, Skagit, Whatcom counties, where we're sitting at or not, or more so below that freezing point. Satellite and radar pictures showing a few more areas of rain beginning to come on to the coast, maybe a few snowflakes mixing in with that, but the deeper moisture still off of the coast and the main event still yet to come. First part of the night, here we are closer to 4 p.m. We're starting to see that moisture taking over. Areas of rain closer to Puget Sound initially just after sunset. Switches over to snow. So we'll see that for a few hours, 6, 7, 8 p.m., even 9 p.m. before rain starts to take back over as we get closer to 10 p.m., moving up from Tacoma, and then eventually Seattle and Everett starting to see that switch over back over the rain. And you're noticing a lot more of the yellows and oranges showing up with this rainfall. A lot of heavy stuff, while at the same time farther north we're keeping it in the form of snow up across Whatcom County and Skagit County as well. Once we get closer to tomorrow morning, it should be all rain for the lowlands, and we're starting to see a lot of heavier moisture as far as snow up into the mountains, but still a lot of heavy rain farther south, and you're going to see what that means for some of the totals down there. First to the snow, we'll see maybe an inch closer to Everett, but I'm thinking the better spots in those advisories areas. Hood Canal, Kitsap Peninsula, Whatcom County, where we see that 2 to perhaps 4 inches. And then for the rain amounts, they are going to be up there. Getting closer to Friday, we're talking about 2 to 3, perhaps 5 to 6 inches of rain, getting closer to Raymond, indicating possibly and maybe a little bit of an overestimate, but 7 inches of rain could be possible. Here we are, today's forecast, mid to upper 30s for highs. Then we'll dip down tonight into those mid to lower 30s. We're going to get those numbers to rise just a bit more as the warm front lifts on by. And we'll be up near closer to 50 by tomorrow with the breezy and rainy conditions. Friday at 45. Quieter as we head into the weekend, Steve, as we see a little more sunshine Saturday and Sunday.
All right, thanks very much, Adam.